What's going on, man? Welcome to another video and welcome from super sunny Chiang Mai. You already know what time it is, man. Yeah, we just get there and yeah, first impression, it's not my vibe. Ain't gonna lie, first impression is not my vibe, but I will stay there for 4 more days. So I definitely give Chiang Mai a chance. Today I'm going to the gym right now, but I wanna get like a fresh haircut. I wanna get some little Thai massage or some neck, back, head massage, because it was super cool in Bangkok. I wanna experience it again. And yeah, tomorrow or in 2 days we'll do some like temple hopping. So yeah, some cool content on the way from Chiang Mai. And yeah, man, I arrived yesterday. Actually, I recorded a little bit, but I didn't like it, honestly, because I found it like super boring. So yeah, let's start videos from Chiang Mai from now on. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm on my way to the gym, and to actually explore the city and feel the vibe for free, I decided to walk 1 hour to the gym. You know what I'm saying? I walk like already 40 minutes, and yeah, soon I will be at the gym, because I was like, if I take a motorbike, then it's what, like 12 minutes, 15 minutes already there, and we'll just see like real quick. But if I walk, I can, you know, slowly observe, look around, and yeah, just enjoy traveling. Even if I will not like it, maybe I will still enjoy being here. You know what I'm saying? And that's like my kind of like travel tip. I've been to 16 countries already, and yeah, if you are not in a rush, the best thing you can do is just simply go, right? Get out the hotel without the goal, or choose like the road when you go somewhere, like walk. Don't take Uber, don't take bus, don't take metro. Sometimes really the best thing you can do is just go and enjoy, go and explore, because that way you will truly see the vibe of the city, you know? Yeah, I got a turn right now, but yeah, that's how it looks like outside of city center. Over there you got like hills, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, we're going to the gym, so also it's gonna be episode from the gym. Yeah, I will still show a little bit today, so stay tuned. But yeah, honestly, like in the first place, it's supposed to be like introduction to Chiang Mai. Last couple days in Thailand, actually, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm still pretty excited, even though my first impression was like not like wow, but I still like enjoying it. And yeah, I gotta see like more, you know. I get back like around, I get here around midnight yesterday, so I just get to hotel on motorbike for 41 bahts, and then I just left my stuff, grab some street food like without even thinking. I didn't do like no research. First thing I saw, I just get it, ate, get back. And yeah, today we got the new day, so let's say it's day 1. My arrival is day 0. Let's put it that way. I'm in gym done, you feel me? And now we're going to the hotel. Let's see how crazy it is throughout the day in Chiang Mai. Let's see. Not yet. It's too far already? Yeah, it's okay. I will walk. I will walk, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
don't worry about it. Yeah,
Yeah.
don't worry.
Sorry.
Big traffic, no worry.
Yeah.
I see it's big traffic. Okay, no worry about it. Let me just pay you.
For tea.
Yeah, okay. 20,
Yes.
40. Okay, no change.
Yes. Thank you.
I'll just give you a helmet back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you.
A helmet. Oh yeah. Can you hold it?
It is camera, video.
Yeah.
You make video?
Yeah.
Oh.
But how to do it?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, help me do. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. Man, I couldn't take my helmet off, bro. Oh, but it's okay. It's okay. Some fun. I can laugh like of myself, so it's not big deal. Yeah, but he cool. I think he was like a little bit like a beginner, actually driver, because like other people that works like on board, they go like everywhere. But yeah, it's so good, man. It's so good. I gotta find a way to my hotel now. I gotta find a way to my hotel now because I wanna show y'all my hotel. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to see. Alright, totally wrong direction, but it's okay. It's okay. It's like 3 minutes, so yeah, I will stop video here and see y'all in my room. I pay $8, so you will see what $8 give you in Chiang Mai, Thailand. You feel me? And let's see what my room is about. I mean, I know, but you don't know, so you will know now. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. So, look, bro. Okay, I don't make bed when like before someone comes. I always do it, but if not, then I don't give a fuck. So that's my room. 8 USD. You feel me? We got this, and it's not working like too much, which is great for me because I don't like it. If there's like AC, I don't use it. Yeah, that's the bed. You feel me? Yeah, lots of space. I got 2 of these. Remember to stay hydrated. You know what time it is, man. And yeah, we got a little toilet. You feel me? We got me. You see me? So that's crazy. Yeah, laptop is charging because videos will not edit themselves. I gotta edit them, you feel me? So I need my laptop charged. Now I'm about to take a shower, and we're about to do the haircut. We're about to do the Thai massage or like back and shoulder massage. It depends what will be better to like record. And probably I got date later, so make sure you follow my second channel, My Kitty Goes Crazy. But yeah, little introduction to Chiang Mai. Yeah, I was at the gym, so like there's separate videos from the gym, so it's not like my day was boring. It wasn't boring. And I still got like activities later, so definitely not boring. But this little interaction, and yeah, I know that is not my best video, I know it, but sometimes I feel like it's still better to like upload not the best quality video, because I'm still learning, I'm still growing, I'm still putting something to the algorithm for the YouTube to recognize what type of content I'm uploading. So it's okay, it's still okay. I hope you enjoy it. If not, let me know some recommendation what I can improve, because I'm here to listen, I'm here to grow, I'm here to learn. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, give me some content recommendation in the comments like always. Stay tuned and see you on to the next one.